In this video, we will talk about how to add Bluetooth to PC on Windows 11. Step 1. Check if your PC already has Bluetooth. Click on Start. Open Settings. On the left, select Bluetooth and Devices. If you see a Bluetooth, toggle it on. Then click on Add Device. Select Bluetooth. Bluetooth device list in here. Simply click on it and connect to device. Step 2. Add Bluetooth using a USB adapter. Open any browser. Copy-paste the link given in the description. As per my experience, I would say this one works really good. Simply connect it, and it's done. You will have your PC Bluetooth ready. So that's how you can add Bluetooth to PC on Windows 11. See you in the next video.